Good morning. I was trying to decide earlier this week what day I was going to vlog, and I think I ended up picking the worst day. Charlie was up all night last night. Here's Charlie. Say hi. His teeth have cut through the gums, but he acted like he was still teething. Yeah, I'm very tired. It's one of those like gallon of under eye concealer days. I'm excited to be partnering with Home Chef again on this vlog. And if you guys are new to my channel and you don't know what Home Chef is, I've been partnering with them since Charlie was born, and I've been using their meal delivery service. The way that it works is you pick the meals that you want online, and then they send you a box to your door with all of the ingredients and the recipes, and it's just been so nice as a new mom because it really takes all of the stress out of meal planning, wondering what we're gonna have for dinner this week, you know, having to shop for everything at the store. It just takes all of the headache of that away, and it's just been so nice as a new mom because like days like today, I just do not have the mental energy to be like, oh, what can we put together for dinner tonight, or what should we have? It's just nice to have all of that taken care of. Their meals are really, really good and really have hefty portion sizes, which I love because I'm hungry these days. I'm still breastfeeding and I'm like hungry all the time. Last night we had this jerk steak tacos. It was seriously so good. And we also recently had this hickory seasoned salmon with cauliflower. Tonight I'm trying something that we haven't done before, which is the Home Chef Express, which is one of the options that they have on their website when you're choosing your menu. And I'm glad that I saved this one for today because the Home Chef Express, they're recipes that can be done really quickly. All of their recipes are pretty quick and easy, but this one's only 15 minutes total. That'll be a good fit for today because I just have a feeling today is gonna be one of those days that's hectic and I'm already tired. So yeah, later tonight when I make dinner, I'll show you sort of like the process and how easy it is, and you can see how good the food looks. We really love Home Chef. We've been using it, like I said, for months now. If you are interested in trying it, there is a coupon code in the description box. It's Holly30, and that'll give you $30 off your first box, which is an amazing deal. Super worth it. I think if you guys try it, you're gonna love it because I've tried other meal delivery systems in the past and we were never really crazy about it, but Home Chef we have absolutely loved. So check it out if you're interested. So I'm gonna get Charlie dressed and get this day started. Dining room is basically morphing into a playroom because we don't use the dining room very much. We eat in there, you know, and yeah, baby stuff takes up space. So I guess I should address where I've been, why it's been like a month since I filmed a video. I don't really have an excuse for it. I've just been in like full-on mom mode. And to be honest, I guess I just haven't really had the motivation. I know there are moms who take care of their kids and do lots of things on top of that. But for me, just like taking care of him has been pretty full on. And then any free time that I do have, which is not much, I want to like go for a walk or just kind of like take care of myself a little bit. He he's a mama's boy, aren't you, honey? Yeah, yes, mama's boy. And so I really haven't been able to leave him. So like I really don't have much time to myself at all. I've done a couple of little like local events. Like I went to this entrepreneur small business meeting thing, which was really nice. I also did a pop-up shop for my online store, and both times I had to leave early because he was freaking out because I wasn't there. He no longer will take a bottle or a pacifier. He stopped taking a pacifier around 3 months, but now he won't take a bottle either, even if it's got breast milk in it. Basically, I have to be with him at all times, which is fine, you know, like I'm a stay-at-home mom and I love being with him, but sometimes it does make things tricky. Also, as far as like Christmas time this year, I am a hot mess mom. Like, I feel like I don't have anything done. I have presents shopped for kind of, but like I don't know what's going to who. Our tree is up with like 5 ornaments on it, but I feel like there's all this pressure when it's your baby's first Christmas to do like all these things, like get the matching family pajamas and take, you know, all the pictures, make the salt dough ornaments, which we did do that with his little handprint. There's just like so much to do and I can't do it all and I'm just too tired. I think also in the last month I've just been struggling with my channel, like with what to do with it, and I thought I kind of had it figured out. I've talked about this before, but I don't want to like be a daily vlogger because I just think it's too intrusive on my family. At the same time, I don't want to do all like sit down videos because those take the longest. I want it to be kind of like some kind of combination, like with some topical videos and then some more like life videos, but just do it in a way that it's not bless you, that it's not like constant camera in his face and like, I don't know, there's a way to do it that I think feels fine, but then there's a line that gets crossed where I feel like it's too intrusive on the kids. I think that's the other reason why I haven't been filming, is because I don't have a clear direction in my head of like what I want my channel to be. Another sort of like new thing happening, it's not really new, but I've been doing more photography work. So I did like an engagement session, like a wintry engagement session. I'll insert the pictures if you guys are interested. And I did some product photography for a local business, and I am just really liking photography lately, which I feel like that's random, but it's really not. Like if I think about it, I've been doing photography for a while now, and I did product photography a while back, but I've always kind of like been doing some mixture of design and photography. Hey, what'd you do? Hey, you did the birdie. So yeah, I hope you guys have been having a fun holiday season, and I hope you're less of a hot mess than I am. I can't do all these Pinterest things. I just can't. I guess I could if I wanted to like not sleep and just totally run myself ragged, but like I just don't want to. I just want to have a peaceful December. I already feel like even with the little bit that I've done, it's been too hectic. So I'm planning on next year making some changes. Like I'm not sure what yet, but I just want to simplify. I want to have like peaceful Decembers, you know? I don't want to feel like a hot mess. And this year I feel like a total hot mess. Hello, can you see yourself? Charlie just woke up from his nap and he slept for like 2 hours. See? Oh, thank you for letting me show that. It's not in focus, but they're out. But they're not like all the way out. I haven't really been able to get a straight answer when I searched for this online. Like, is it supposed to hurt more? Or does it just mean that they're still coming out? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. He's very fussy and very clingy. So, put on the old Ergo. I made this like citrus garland, which was really fun. I should have filmed that, but yeah, that was a fun little craft project. Sweatpants are on, fuzzy sweaters on. I'm comfy. You comfy? You comfy, Hubs?
Yeah.
No, you're not. Also, I've got my new headband on from Olivia's store, Main Message. It makes me feel like a cute 1950s housewife, even though they would never be caught dead in the rest of my outfit. Anyway, we're about to get started on dinner, and we're making I'm tired. Teriyaki sriracha chicken stir fry with brown rice and zucchini. This is one of the Home Chef Express meals. So the total prep and cook time is only 15 minutes. All right, let's do this.
Alrighty.
What do you think, Wes?
Looks so good.
Charlie's about to have sweet potatoes.
Bless us,
Bless us, the Lord, and these thy gifts which we are about to receive. Is it good? I didn't know what to expect with the teriyaki mixed with sriracha. But I like it. Ooh. Good job. Zucchini is something I forget about. So that was delicious. We really enjoyed that. Again, if you guys would like to try Home Chef and get $30 off of your first box, check out the description box below and use the code HOLLY30. You'll get $30 off, which is a really, really good deal. I am pretty sure I'm getting a cold, and I think, you know why? It's because I'm type A blood.
That's it.
Have you guys ever, we were reading about like the blood type diet and stuff, and apparently type A has a bad immune system. Type O does not. Wes is type O. I'm type A. So that's why I get sick all the time and he doesn't.
You just married me for my blood.
I did. I don't know what Charlie's blood type is though. Yeah, that's what it was for. So yeah, anyway, I hope I'm not getting sick, but I'm going to, we're gonna clean up the kitchen and probably have a Pop-Tart for dessert. Fancy. Yeah, I'm gonna bathe the baby. So anyway, the rest of the night is just tidying up and going to bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching. You can follow me over on Instagram at HollyCastoBlog. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye-bye.